Okay, so this is the Hapinest dog treat recipe set. Make and bake dog treat set. Create homemade gifts for all your furry friends. This thing is adorable. The ribbons just happen to be red and white, so it's excellent for Christmas as a gift. Super cute, I'll show you. And there's some really easy dog treat recipes out there. The one that I just recently made is like 3 ingredients. So super easy. Delicious and nutritious homemade dog treats. It's fun to do with your kids. So it comes with a roller, big plastic roller, 3 treat cutters, 1, 2, and then a little heart, 3. We took this out of the plastic. It came with plastic. And then 24 cute little gift bags with bones on them. Ribbon and twine, pretty colors. 3 healthy recipes. So this is 3 recipes that you can use. And then tags. So you can either use them as name tags, you can put, you know, the recipe on there, whatever you want to do. And then it comes with this from the actual company. So yeah, super cute, great for a Christmas gift. Highly, highly recommend. It's adorable, the boxing is cute, and yeah, it's so easy to make the dog treats yourself. I don't know. Now that I've made them, I don't think I'll ever even buy them again. So definitely recommend, especially with the holidays coming up, for, you know, anyone that's a dog lover, or if you have kids that can help you in the kitchen, something cute to do. So there you go. Make and bake dog treat set.